How to cancel MGM Plus subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel your MGM Plus subscription, and it's really easy. So let us begin. First, you'll have to open up your settings. So after you open up your settings, what you'll have to do is you'll have to tap in your Apple ID. Now just tap on your name. After you do that, Apple account settings will open up. Now right here, you will see your payment, shippings, subscriptions, sign-in security, personal information, and so much more. You'll need to go to your subscriptions. After you tap on your subscription, and while it takes to load, you can just wait, and after it does, you will see all of your subscriptions here. Now, I don't really have any subscriptions right now, but if you have your MGM Plus subscription, it will be showing up right here. After you find it here, all you need to do is tap on it and cancel your subscription. And it's that simple, guys. And that is how you cancel your MGM Plus subscription. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below. To stay tuned, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.